Hey, stop right there, man. Whoa, what do I do? I'm Bruce. I saw you drinking some alcohol. Just give me your money. Fine. Good cop should admit all his wrongdoings. What's money? You know, like green. Oh, I've got tons of green like this. See, right there, yeah. Tons of green. Tons of green, yeah. I didn't mean this. I didn't mean frogs. I meant money. Oh, the green stuff. Okay. How about this? That's a lizard. Fine, you got me right there. Okay, here. No, it's not bamboo. I planted a bomb in the building. Why, you idiot? You're gonna blow up too. Bang! Bang!
Hello.
Who are you?
I'm a criminal and I've come to rob your Monday.
Oh no, this criminal has really got me.
Never fear, Bruce is here.
Bruce who?
Bruce Wayne, of course.
Hey, wrong person.
Okay. You barely even hit me.
Oh yeah? Well, oh no, there's a bomb right there! How it's gonna blow you up? Don't you understand? It's gonna blow up the both of us! Well... Bang! Bang! I got 2 cards. I have 1. What are we supposed to do 2 and 1 cards? Well, we can play Uno. How do you play Uno? Well, first of all, you have to have a huge book of rules. Big book of rules. Just glance over to that side and you'll see them. Oh, I think I see them. You finished reading? No. You still read it? Yes. Are you okay? Yes. Okay, all done. So do you want to play Uno? Okay, kid. Okay. First we oh yeah. Oh, Uno, I have 1 card, I win. Hey, that ain't fair. How ain't it? How ain't it? I'll show you what's fair. Bang!